Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Are you excited for today's class? Okay, so what is your name? My name is Savita. What is your name? Good job. So today I will tell you the new sentence which you have to learn, and I will ask you next day. Okay, so I will ask you, how are you? You will say, I am fine, thank you. What you will say? I am fine, thank you. Okay, let's try. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Again, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Good job. Okay, so this week we are taking the sound k. Which sound? K. Say it together with me, children. K. 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 Good job. So I have drawn the lines here to tell you the formation of the k sound. So what you have to do for this, you have to make a standing line, slanting line, and then again a slanting line. Okay? I will tell you one more time. Standing line, from here slanting line, and then from here slanting line down here. Okay? So this is the formation of the k sound. Okay? Now let's see the vocabulary of the k sound. Okay? So what is this, children? Can you tell me? Yes, good job. It's a key. K, key. Say with me, children. K, key. K, key. K, key. Yes. So I will show you the real key. So see this? Can you see this, children? It's a real key. See, you put the key in the lock and then you lock the door when you go out. Yes, children? Yes, very good. So now let's see the next picture. What is this? Kettle. Say with me. Kettle. 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 Good job. So I will show you the real kettle. See, can you see this, children? It's a kettle. Kettle. Okay, and now let's see, what is this? Yes, king. King. Say with me. King. King. Good job. And what is this? You can see it flying up in the sky. Yes, it's a kite. Kite. Say with me. Kite. Kite. Good job. Okay. There are other vocabulary also related to k, like Mama, she works in kitchen. K, kitchen. Say with me. Kitchen. Kitchen. Okay. And the baby of the cat, what do we call? Kitten. Yes. Kitten. Okay. There are more vocabulary words related to k. Okay, children? And we will see about that tomorrow. Okay, children? So today we will learn the new phonic song of the k sound with the action. So the action is same like the previous k sound. Okay? You have to play the castanets in your finger and thumb like this. Okay? K, k, Okay, so you will fly the kite like this, and then you will say k, 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 k. Okay, do with me, children. K, 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 k. Good job. So I will tell you the action. See, for the kite you will do k, 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 k. Okay, flying you will do like this, and sky like this. Okay children, are you ready for the song? Okay, let's play the song and do the action together. Okay children? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Good job children. So, did you enjoy the song? Yes. Do you want me to play it again? Okay. Let's play the song again and we'll do the action. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, children. Okay, ready children? 1, 2, 3 and go.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
Well done. Okay. Good job children. So we will revise this song daily so that you will remember the song and the action. Okay children? So this much for today. I hope you like the video and you will do your work neatly and correctly. Okay children? Bye bye. See you tomorrow.